Hi, welcome to Ask a Bass. Today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to locate key on the bass guitar, like to know the key of a particular song. Once a song is raised, for you to know the right key to play, either if it is key A, key B, or key C. So, if this is your first time of joining us, please do well to subscribe and also to click on the like button. So let's get right to it. In the previous lesson that I told us how we are going to locate the keys, I showed you step by step from how you are going to get this from the top down to the third one. So this is the logic. When you hear a song, you try to get the root note, which is the do. You can hum it in your mind, but for this lesson I'm going to be doing it out so that we'll get to understand it. And so for this song that is playing in the background right now, so I'm going to show you how you are going to do it. And another thing is, you start from the third strings. If you want to start playing guitar, you start from this to know the key, start from the third strings, which is, we have the number 1, the 2, and the 3. So what you do, you have the do in your mind. So once you are able to hum the root notes, the do, you will now slide from the top to the down until you get to the point where it sounds the same with what you are humming in your mind. So we are going to be doing it one after the other. You know, some people that are professional, they will just slide fast like this. But as a learner, you just have to do it one after the other. So here we have our do on the third string. Alright, so I'm going to change the song and then do this, use the same pattern for it. So this is another song. We're going to use the same logic we used for the first song. First, you need to get the root note, which is the do, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Right here. So easy, we got it here. Do. So alright, this is one of the logic you use to know the key, a particular key, the key of a song and the bass guitar. First of all, you have to know it from your mind before locating it on the strings. You get the root note first. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Like, you just start looking for it from here. You start do. So that's one of the logic to get to know the key of a particular song on the bass guitar.